Install and fix things on the wall in the future without drilling holes. Use this nailer. No electricity or oil. It can be nailed by pressing the nails very firm. Electricians and carpenters can use it to install and fix things. Order today, deliver tomorrow. The price is really cheap. I really regret not buying it sooner. Today, taking advantage of factory direct sales. I bought 2 more. Same price, better quality. Manufacturers don't make you a penny more. Just want to earn a good reputation. Order this nail gun now. Give you 2 extra packs of nails. Free shipping. Order now and get 50% off.